Zach, so I just took a screenshot of one of your questions, and you had to find the area. So the formula is, oh, wrong thing. Area equals pi r squared. So right here you have this, okay? So you have 3.14, that's perfect. So we have 3.14, and then we have to multiply it by the radius. Well, the radius here is 70. So radius equals 70 inches. Sorry. So radius squared equals 70 squared, which really means 70 times 70. So in your calculator, 70 times, oh, I guess I can do 70 squared in this. 70 squared gives you 49. Oops, ignore that last little bit, okay? Equals 4,900. So it had a decimal. Let me just show you. 70 squared. See this right here? This is not a decimal. I think you put in a decimal. This is just a comma, okay? So it's just a comma. So because you put a decimal in, you're getting this different answer. So it should be 3.14 times 4,900. And when I put that in my calculator, 4,900 times 3.14, you'll get 15,386, okay? So 15,386 inches squared. So I just wanted to make sure that you didn't think it was a decimal, okay? I don't want these to be decimals, because that will give you a totally different answer. That would say 15.38, and this one is really 15,386 inches. I'm going to send you this video.